whether we want to create the videos or the blog posts, first we need to get started from the keyword research. So actually we can find out whether this topic worth creating the content or not. So in this video I'm going to show you such a good advanced keyword research platform. With the help of, you can find all the relevant keywords, questions, trending topics, LSI keywords, and even the long tail keywords. So let me show you out. So this is my topic I have entered in this platform, selected the country, and look at the questions and the keyword it has given me. First of all, I got the people also asked. So these are the most asked question on the Google. Then if I go to this below section, I have found all the comparison type of the question. Let me go to this question section, and you can see this is all the question based on the are, can I, can, how do, how should I. See, the variety of the questions and the keywords I'm getting is insane here. And not only that, if I click here on the letters, I can see all the keywords based on the alphabetics, like the A, B, C, D, E, F, G kind of the stuff. And not only that, if I just click here on the tools, you can see so many tools around the keyword research and the SEO this platform is offering. I have just showed you the demo of the keyword generator, but we have also the keyword clustering, and this is going to save you a lot because it is going to make the group of the keywords that you can use to create the content on it. Then we have the static generator, trending topics we can find, we have the keyword seeker, and there's also the deep seek keyword research section available. Not only that, I can also use its long tail keyword generator. So let me click here and enter my topic keyword, that is the local SEO, and click here on the generate keyword. Now it is going to show me all the long tail keywords basically relevant to my this topic keyword I have entered. And the best part, it has divided these long tail keyword based on a funnel. So for example, this is the top of the funnel keyword. Basically this is the informational type of the content that gets most of the visitors and the traffic here, like how to, what is, benefits, guide, how does kind of the keywords here. This is for the information. Then we have the middle of the funnel, and it is going to show you the tools that is the based on best, top, strategies, reviews, alternatives kind of the stuff. And end of the funnel, we are going to earn the money with these kind of the keywords, that is the monetary or the transactional intent based, like buy, how much, local SEO, guaranteed result, discount, or consultant near me, expert optimization, free audit kind of this stuff here. So on this platform, not only I get the long tail keywords, but I got the full funnel on those long tail, like the top of the funnel for the information, middle of the funnel for suggesting the top or the best tools or the strategies or whatever the thing I want to list here. Then end of the funnel basically for the earning money, that is also called the monetary or the transactional kind of the keywords here. Okay, so this is the another keyword section I have showed you. Then we have also the Saas keyword generator. Suppose if you have a Saas platform and you want to create the content around that Saas tool here, so you have to just enter your company name, domain name, and give the some of the idea on the niche and the industry, and it is going to give you all the keyword around your industry or niche of the tool for your Saas business here. Okay, so this is what this Saas keyword generator is going to help you out. Then we have the AI tools. So these AI tools is going to give you the features and the tools that is going to help you with the AI content detector, humanize your AI content, AI writer, paragraph expander, or we have also the blog conclusion generator. And most of these AI tools are free. For example, if I click here on the humanize AI content, this is the free AI content tool you are also going to find here. Okay, same goes with this one, that is the AI content detector here. Okay, so now let me talk about what are the other tools we have. We have the extractor, we have the title generator. So basically I am going to cover the two sections of these tools, like the main tools for the keyword research and the SEO AI tools here. So let's get started with the keyword generator. Enter your topic keyword here. I have already showed you demo how it is going to give you the example. So let me enter something else. Let me add the coffee here. Okay, so I want to search the coffee related keywords, and I am going to select the country and the language, click on the search, and now it is going to give me the answers here. So I got around the 1400 plus questions here, and you can see the Google trend for this month. So this is the most asked questions. Okay, and this is all the questions you can find around your topic keyword. And I can also see this pre-position keywords, comparison types in the past, or this is based on the alphabetically. Okay, now same keyword topic I'm going to copy I will go to the tools. I will go this time on the clustering. So now simply add your keyword. If you have the multiple keywords with comma separated, you can also add them. So I am just adding one, that is the coffee. Click here on the search, and now let's see what are the things we are going to see. Okay, and see, okay, so I didn't get the results because I have entered only the one keyword here. So I need the multiple keywords relevant to it. Okay, so what I will do, I will simply click here on the again, and now I'm back to the keyword generator here. So I have the multiple keyword types. So what I will do here, I will find some of them like this one. So I will simply copy here. Okay, or I can also download the CSV. So let me download the CSV, but we have also a quick action button available, that is the cluster keyword. So simply click here on the cluster keyword and click on the proceed. Now it is going to grouping the keywords, make you the topics on which you can create the content, and this is good for the topical authority. Step by step you are going to create the content on this cluster based report here. So right now it is generating, it can take some time. Yeah, our cluster report is generated. So while I am talking about, our report is generated here. So you can see we got the total around 953 clustered keywords, 200 plus topics, clustered percentage. Okay, so if I scroll down below, this is all the clustered keywords. Are coffee ground goods for the plants. Okay, I got one topic, ground coffee, green coffee, recommended coffee beans. What are the coffee beans? Where are coffee beans imported from? Okay, so this is how based on the topics or the groups it has created the cluster for me, and this is good for the topical authority. And if you are just starting a new blog, you can get started with the clustering of the keyword, and look at the time it had saved you. Okay, now let me go to the next thing, that is the trending topics. So again, I am just going to select the country, like selecting the Germany, select the language, click here on the search, and now it is going to show you the trending topics of that country here. So it can take some time. I don't know how much it is going to take. Let me select the any other country. Let me go with the United States. So I will go till the end and find out the United States from the list. I got it. Select here on the language, click here on the search, and let's see. So it is still loading. I think it takes time, and I don't know how much time it is going to take. So I'm just skipping this trending topics option here. Then let's go with that is the semantic keyword research here. Okay, again I am going to enter my seed keyword, click here on the search, and using the relevant keyword, it is going to find me all the semantic keyword, basically all the popular queries, phrases, questions, and entities related to topics here. Okay, so this is all the top queries. This is the A based, B based, C based related to my seed topic I have added it. I hope you are understanding what I am showing you right now, because this is a little bit advanced thing I have just showed you in the keyword research. Same thing we can do with the LSI keyword, and I have already told you how long tail keyword generator is going to help you out here. Okay, so let me go to this time on the DeepSeek SEO keyword research. So here we are going to use the DeepSeek for the keyword research. This is the really advanced thing we have just checked out in this platform. Okay, and it is using the DeepSeek R1 API here. So I'm going to add my seed keyword here, click here on the search, and using the DeepSeek, it is going to show me what are the top queries here. So this is all the top queries I got, and one by one it is going to be all kind of the variety of the keywords. So this is all the top queries. This is the long tail keywords I have showed you. Now this is the top of the funnel keywords. Soon I will get the middle of the funnel keyword, and this is the bottom of the funnel keyword, and still it is going to give me more information here, like best X for Y keyword, best coffee for energy without jitters, best coffee maker for small apartments. Isn't just surprising tool I have just showed you today. So this tool is so much advanced in the keyword research and the SEO. I don't able to find any other tool compared to this. Even the Answer the Public or the Uber Suggest let you do the limited amount of the search and the finding the topics around your seed keyword. And don't forget, you have to pay the subscription charges, even the unlocking the data. But here if I compare its pricing, okay, so this is all the report I got it here. LSI based, top queries, long tail keywords, funnel based, okay, and we have also the semantic keywords I got it here. So there are so many crazy features in this tool. That is the one thing clear. But now let me talk about the pricing, how much you have to pay to use this platform. Okay, so right now I'm using its free plan, and I have showed you the how much things you can do in the free plan. Let me show you how much the data or the limits you are getting. So I am on the free plan, and the demo and the tutorial I have showed you on the free plan here. So I am getting the 5 searches per day, 1 search per day for the recursive, and I got the 3000 cluster credit per month. So this is the limited but still really useful. Now let me talk about the monthly and the yearly plans. So monthly plan is starting from the 29, and this plan name is the Seneca, and Aurelius plan, that is the advanced features unlocked version. It is going to give you the $49 per month you have to pay. Okay, so there's also the yearly plan available, and here you will get, I think, some of the discount right now. After when I switch to the yearly, I have to just pay the $279 a year. So in just 279, almost $300, suppose it is less than, although I am getting so much the credits, you can see, and it is going to give you the 6000 searches per year, and you can see the cluster report and all AI models included in LMM tracking here. Okay, so if you want to check it out, this platform, even you want to get started from the free, and if you like it, you can switch from free or upgrade from free to its monthly or yearly subscription to its Seneca or Aurelius plan here. So the link will be given in the description. Plus I am also giving out my free bonuses along with this platform, so make sure you also check them out. So this is the Answer Socrates. The platform is really mind-blowing, so many crazy tools available in this platform, and the data it is given is really accurate. Any topic or any keyword, you can use this platform for research here. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to hit the like button, and if you have any question around this platform, just let me know in the comments. Make sure you also check out the bonuses in the description along with this tool. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.